guys, I wanted to share with you guys, I am out with some buyers showing a house in Johnson City, Texas, and I am in Legacy Hills is where we ended up. It's on the way to Austin on US 290, but I just wanted to show you guys the entrance to this community is absolutely beautiful. So I'll take you for a short drive inside of the community, which is behind me, and then we'll check out the house. So here we are at this beautiful home in Johnson City. This home sits on 6 acres. Let's go on inside. So this home is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,600 square feet. So there's an office right here to the right. Here is the kitchen with huge, tall, vaulted ceilings. Gorgeous kitchen, pull out for the water for a pot filler. So this right here is a hidden pantry. Now let's go back into the master, right off of the living room. There's an extra room right there that goes to outside. Here's the master bathroom. Dual vanities. There's the shower. Y'all look at this closet. The storage that you get inside of here, perfect. So there's all the open windows to the backyard. Look at these light switches, they're so cool. So here's outside. Huge cover, a saltwater pool and spa. And so this whole area over here is where all the outdoor cooking is done. Barbecue sink, there's a bathroom through that door and a shower through the other door. That right there through the windows, that is a second like butler's type of kitchen. So if you're preparing for parties or anything like that, there's a whole kitchen in there. Just an extra storage room right there. Bedroom. The bathroom attached. Laundry room with an ice maker. And another bedroom with its own bathroom as well. So lastly, I'm going to take you guys into a casita that's attached to the house but has its own entrance off to the side of the home. Full casita, full kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and even its own laundry area. So there you have it, a whole tour of this beautiful home in Johnson City. If this is a home is something that you're interested in going to see or tour or purchase, give me a call. My information is below in the descriptions. And if you are on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give me a like, a comment, and I will see you guys next time.